Hey esteem, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of February 6th, 2021. So let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which state government has announced a farm loan waiver worth rupees 12,110 crore? So the answer is option C, Tamil Nadu, and the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is Edappadi K. Palanisamy. And the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, who has been appointed as the chairman of National Safety Council? So the answer is S.N. Subramanian, and he has been appointed as the chairman for a period of 3 years. And National Safety Council comes under the Ministry of Labour and Employment. You should also know the minister. So the minister is Santosh Kumar Gangwar. So the minister is Santosh Kumar Gangwar. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, which nation has agreed to forge deeper engagement with India in the field of renewable energy? So the answer is option C, Bahrain, and the currency of Bahrain is Bahraini dinar. And the Prime Minister of Bahrain is Salman. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, which organization has received the world's first consignment of carbon neutral oil from Oxilo Carbon Ventures? So the answer is option C, Reliance, and we all know that the CEO of Reliance is Mukesh Ambani. And the Oxilo Carbon Ventures president is Richard Jackson. You should also know this. So the Oxilo Carbon Ventures president is Richard Jackson. So what is carbon neutral oil? It is said to achieve neutrality. It means that carbon dioxide output has a net neutral impact on the environment. So it is said to achieve carbon neutrality. It means that carbon dioxide output has a net neutral impact on the environment. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, which state government will be setting up an Indian Institute of Silk? So the answer is option A, Gujarat, and the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. And the Indian Institute of Silk is also being set up in Gandhinagar. You should also know the Chief Minister of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. So the Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, which state's forest department has conducted a water bird census for the first time? So the answer is option B, West Bengal, and as it comes under the Ministry of Forest Affairs, you should know the minister. So the Minister of West Bengal for Forest Affairs is Ranjit Banerjee. So the Minister for Forest Affairs of West Bengal is Ranjit Banerjee, and the Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climatic Change is Prakash Javadekar. And the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Then moving on to the next question. So the 7th question is, RBI has projected the real GDP growth to be how much percent in financial year 2021 to 22? So the answer is option A, 10.5, and you should also know the governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das. Then moving on to the next question. So the 8th question is, which country has donated the high-end medical supplies and equipments to a Delhi hospital to strengthen the bond with India? So the answer is option A, Israel, and the capital of Israel is Jerusalem. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, and the Prime Minister is Benjamin Netanyahu. And the currency of Israel is Israeli shekel. Then moving on to the next question. So the 9th question is, which organization will launch the first civilian orbital mission by the end of 2021? So the answer is option D, SpaceX, and the CEO of SpaceX is Elon Musk. He is the richest man in the world. And the headquarters of SpaceX is in California. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, which country has topped the EIU's democracy index? So the answer is option A, Norway, and EIU is Economist Intelligence Unit. So you should also know the CEO. So the CEO is Robin. And India has secured the 53rd rank in EIU's democracy index. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, India is ranked at which place in EIU's democracy index? So the answer is option A, 53, as I already said you. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, what is the theme of the Indian Ocean Region Defense Ministers Conclave? So the answer is option A, enhanced peace, security and cooperation in Indian Ocean. We should also know the defense minister. So the defense minister is Rajnath Singh. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, who has become India's youngest female pilot? So the answer is option A, Aisha Aziz. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, the International Day for Human Fraternity is observed on which date? So the answer is option B, February 4th. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, which organization has inked a deal with Midani to develop, manufacture composite raw materials? So the answer is option D, HAL. HAL is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and the MD of this is R. Madhavan. So the MD of HAL is R. Madhavan. And Midani is the full form of Midani is Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, and the headquarters of Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited is located in Hyderabad. And the chairman of Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited is Sanjay Kumar Jha. So the chairman is Sanjay Kumar Jha. Then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, which company applied for emergency use approval of its single shot COVID-19 vaccine in the United States? So the answer is option D, Johnson & Johnson, and the CEO of Johnson & Johnson is Alex Gorsky. And the headquarters of Johnson & Johnson is located in New Jersey. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, who has been appointed as the interim director of CBI? So the answer is option B, Pravin Sinha. Then moving on to the next question. The 18th question is, which union territory has become the first UT to be corona free? So the answer is Andaman and Nicobar, and the capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. And the governor of Andaman and Nicobar is Raj Nivas. Then moving on to the next question. So the 19th question is, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the centenary celebration of which incident? So the answer is option D, Chauri Chaura. So you should also know that the Chauri Chaura incident took place on 4th February in 1922 in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Then moving on to the next question. So the 20th question is, the NHAI has set a world record for laying 2,580 meter of pavement quality concrete road in how many hours? So the answer is option C, 24 hours, and the chairman of National Highway Authority is Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. So the chairman is Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. So that's it. We are done for the day. Thank you for watching our video, and if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below. And if you have any doubts, please contact us in Facebook and Instagram. I'll be providing the ID. Thank you again, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.